It's lovely and quiet here. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and Sunday morning of June 14th. Absolutely beautiful. Little churchyard in the middle of nowhere. It's Sutton Bingham, near the dam, and a little place you can park. A park you can park in for free, which is rare these days. Some old crosses here. This one looks a bit damaged by the yew tree. That's some plinth on there. Beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. And the markings inside on the walls, old paintings from a very long time ago. Let's go over here, see what this one says in the dark. Somebody's been in and cleared the brush away. Trees. This one's been buried recently. 2016. 2009 and 2016. This one. Made out of hamstone. Very nice. Yeah, there's lots of old broken headstones. As I said before, the people who used to look after these have long since gone, and nobody looks after them now, and the undergrowth overtakes everything until somebody decides to cut all the grass back, trim the trees back, bring it into some sort of... Look at this. Charles Bagwell died 1884, 55 years, and his wife above 1873, 49 years. No penicillin back in the day, so if you got something, you died a bit younger. These big grapes, they're all hidden in the brush. There's always a yew tree in old churches, and that doesn't look very old, that one. I've seen older ones. What's this one? Somebody's cleaned this up a bit. 1880, that one. 1880. So, very nice. Looks like a fresh one. People are still being buried here. It's just not quite close to the church here. I can see two bells up there behind the wire mesh. See them? Oh, there. I'm looking into the sun, so I can't see much. Around the back of the church here. Side of the church. Now, what's this over here? Let's look for all the little nooks and crannies. Is that a marking on the stone there? Like an old sundial or something. Very old church. Yeah. Right, still at the back of the church. There's a bramble in my way. There we go. Oh. But you notice all the stonework's getting... It needs sorting out. Church needs, whoever's in charge of the church, need to fill all the holes in all the way so damp will get in. And then probably masonry bees or something doing that. Okay. Yeah. When you start getting green stuff in your gutters, the roots spread the tiles, break everything open, So we're right down the far end now. Down at the altar end. On the altar end now. That's a beautiful wee church. Beautiful. Very old stones. They're old and worn, so. Right, we're back round again. So, that's your lot today, boys and girls. Take a drone up now, maybe. Have a peek around. Laters. Right, I found another big box stone here. Can't really read it, but it says to the memory of Lieutenant Colonel Edward Hawker Palmer, third son of the Reverend Hugh Wellman Hellier. On the bottom bit it says daughter of the Reverend. Oh, what's in here? Reverend. Can't read that. But it's all there. There's any dates on it now. There's a date on it here. Can you read the Roman numerals? Read the Roman numerals. Oh, that's that. And then round this end. Nope. So that's that. Oh, choo-choo! Woo-hoo! Look at that. Bingham Dam. Down on the road by the dam. What's this here say on the fence? Don't feed the birds and don't feed the fish. Don't feed them bread. Stuff. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Mill pond out there. Across the road, I'll lift that bit of rubbish off the floor before I go. Somebody's left behind. So this is the dam. Looks, I've seen it lower. Little ducks. You can see it doesn't come up much. I've seen it up as high as here, this top line.